You're that's how we talk in New York. We say, yo ma, what's up, what's good. So today I'm gonna do a blue glimmery look, kind of like my background. And I want to be, I like to do bold, dramatic, so that's what you should expect from me. I already did my brows. I used my NYX brow pencil, and then I used my MAC Prep and Prime highlighting pen to fill them in. I mean, not to fill them in. Now my first step, I'm going to use my MAC Prep and Prime shadow base. My group chat is going off right now. Hey friends. NYX Ultimate shadow palette in Smokey and highlights. Grayish, whitish color is my base. With this dark gray right here. It's like a shimmery blue color right here. And I'm gonna put that in my crease. Oh, put too much. Oh well. Okay guys, so I buffed out. This one looks horrible, but I'm gonna fix it. Don't worry. I buffed all the colors out. Now I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D concealer, my Lock-It concealer in M27 Warm. I used this concealer in my last video and I love it. So you guys are gonna be seeing more of this concealer definitely. I'm just gonna take my flathead brush and put it on here like so. So I did a half cut crease and it looks really messy, but I'm gonna blend out. Now I'm gonna go in with another clean flathead brush and I'm gonna go into this blue right here because I my NYX glitter glue head brush. Go in with my NYX glitter brilliance, and this is a super sparkly royal blue. This is what it looks like. This brush and go in, and this is the reason why I don't do my foundation and stuff first, because so now I'm gonna go in with a clean shadow brush, and I think I'm gonna go into this color, this dark glimmery color right here, and I'm kind of gonna pop this right here and like bring it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with my makeup remover wipe and get all of this crusty like fallout and shadow and all this craziness off my face. This is exactly why I don't do my shadow after I do my face. Clean brush and go into like just a neutral color and just use that to buff out the edges, because it'll take away the harshness and you won't be looking crazy. First, before I put my primer and stuff, I'm gonna moisturize. I'm gonna use my Shiseido moisturizer. This is like my go-to moisturizer. This is what it looks like. It smells so good, and it's really light. Like I use this even when I don't do my makeup. With my NYX pore filler, and this is just gonna minimize my pores. Okay, so for foundation, I was like, I have so many foundations, and I was just like, which one would like make this shit pop? And I think I'm going to combine my MAC Studio foundation and my Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage Cream foundation to get like the perfect consistency, because this one's really like watery and this one's like thick. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to mix it on my hand. I'm going to do a drop of this. That's the Becca one, and then I'm going to mix my MAC one in there too. Like so. And I'm gonna take a flat top kabuki brush and I'm gonna just like mix it on my hand. Hopefully it comes out good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. It's the cream one. I just got this one too, so I'm a little hype. I'll be using this color for my highlight. My Smashbox primer oil into my cream palette. Thick as it should be because it's cream, but yeah, oh my god, it makes such a difference. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. I'm gonna go in with this brush and I'm gonna go into this color right here for my contour. Get out. Kat Von D Shade and Light powder contour palette. I mean, why not? Just doesn't make sense. Why not? Why not go ahead? MAC bronzer. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to use this to... Now I'm going to go in with my Rimmel London Scandal mascara. I really love this mascara. My friend got it for me because she works over there. And I'm obsessed. I am so obsessed with this mascara. Eyelure eyelashes. This is what they look like. Now I'm going to take my NYX ombre blush. It's like a peachy color. I'm going to pop that right here. Just for a little bit of warmth. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC highlighter in Oh Darling. And this highlighter is like, it's so amazing. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with my lips. And I'm going to use my Makeup Forever lip pencil brush in this shade. Oh my god, what is the shade? It's brown, so. And I'm just doing that to contour my lips to make them even bigger. NYX In Your Element lipstick in the shade Matte Navy. This is a blue lipstick. I'm gonna go in with my MAC lipstick in Peachstock. Y'all know this is my favorite lipstick, but I use this lipstick for going with my MAC Prep and Prime. I'm really loving this. Oh my god. I was gonna do a straight navy lip at first, but then I was like, what is more unique? And I think this is pretty unique, like an ombre. Okay guys, so this is the final look. It's definitely really bold and dramatic. It's what I wanted to do, and it matches perfectly with my background. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Would you rock this? Obviously it's not for every day. It's definitely for like a super special occasion, but I feel like you know, makeup is where you express yourself. So I was feeling really blue today and it shows. So let me know what you guys think. Here's the eyeshadow, here's the lips. And side note that Becca and MAC foundation worked perfectly together, like literally perfectly. And you guys might have noticed that I haven't used any setting powder in my last couple of videos, because I feel like it dries me out, especially because it's the winter time. So I feel like it dries me out, and then like my makeup has been coming out fine without using setting powder. So I'm kind of just gonna leave the setting powder alone for right now and kind of just wait until the summertime for that. But yeah, drop me a comment and don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Okay? Okay.